Hello everyone, this is Let's Design channel, back with another short video tutorial for Adobe Photoshop. Today I am going to show you how to extend or expand any image background with the help of Photoshop Content Aware feature. So watch to the end of the video and don't forget to like. Alright, let's jump right into tutorial. First step is to open the image from saved destination. As you can see, this image background is narrow. To extend the background, select Crop tool and extend the proportion of image as required. Now use the rectangular marquee tool to draw a selection around the empty space on one side, then hold Shift and select the other sides. After selected the empty area around the image, now go to Edit menu, click on Fill. Now select Content Aware from Fill window and press OK. After some progress, you will have your extended background. To remove selected area, go to Select menu and click on Deselect. So that is how you can extend any image background. This is the end of the video. If you like this short Photoshop tutorial, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.